What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with Diamond State Off-Road. Do a little unboxing today. I was looking around online and happened to see this. No affiliation, just thought it was cool. Wanted to try it out. So it's the CampStove 2 Plus from BioLite. It's a pretty neat concept. Basically, all it is a stove with an external battery pack, and the heat transfer charges the battery. So basically, you put sticks, I believe they sell some pellets too, that you can put in here, and it turns the heat in there into battery power. So, energy. We're gonna get this opened up. I haven't opened it, and see what's inside. Don't cut toward yourself. Again, I haven't opened this yet, so this is everything the way it comes packaged. So, stuff sack, put everything in it. So this says fire starters on it. So that's, I guess, just some pellets that you can start. This is the instructions, flex light, and the USB cable. That's cool, it comes with a light. If I can get the instructions out, that'd be cool. So register for warranty, BioLite warranty. Make sure you do that. Instructions, I'm sure we'll read those eventually. That's everything that comes in the box. That's neat. They do some donation work. I don't know what exactly they do, but I was looking at that online. So I guess we'll start getting this apart and seeing what all we got. I have not read the instructions, but that says to read the instructions first. Probably opening this the wrong way. So that's the battery pack. All right, so I'm gonna read the instructions real quick and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Did a little reading, not much, full disclaimer. So this is your battery pack with the heat transfer unit. This is gonna slide up in there like that. This here opens up, that locks that in, flip the others out, and you have a stove. Twigs, pellets go in there, you start it, light it, that charges this battery pack here. It did have some power, it's like 50%. We'll check out the light real quick, see what it's about. All right, we're back again. Helps to read those instructions. So it's just got a little touch deal on top of here. Well, you gotta turn this back on real quick. Boom, light. So that's pretty neat. Helps see at night. Kitchen work, getting ready to do just about anything in the dark. That's nifty. That you got heat. They do sell a couple of different attachments, grills, kettles. I believe it said it can boil water. Let's see, 4.5 minutes to boil 1 liter of water. That's pretty cool. 3,200 milliamp hour battery. And so that's about it. I can't wait to get it out and try it out. It's got 3 different settings for the fan. Let's see if we can do that real quick. So that's on 1, it's 2, 3, actually it's got 4 levels on the fan. So, and that's to help produce less smoke, which is cool. So, thanks for watching.